What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now, I've seen some bad predictions in my days, right? Where you have people or businesses like the Motley Fool. The Motley Fool will tend to contradict itself quite a bit, and mainly it's because they just want to be safe, right? They'll throw out multiple predictions of something, saying that something's going to fall down to a massive level, or something may have the potential chance to increase to a crazy level, and be on both sides of the scale. Now, once one of those predictions comes true, they will claim that they're all about that happening, right? Even though they've been fighting against both, whatever the popular side is of, a lot of times negativity sells, so they're going to go more towards the negative side, but they will throw out that positive review saying, oh, XRP is going to go to, $100. And if it does, then they kind of suppress all of the other articles that they wrote that were negative and bring this $100 review to light, right? That's typically what happens. So I've seen some really bad reviews. I've seen some really bad predictions that are out there. But I think when people tend to neglect or just don't see or don't want to see the potential in something, maybe it's because they just want to ruffle some feathers. I really don't know. I think that might be the case, right? Because I just said popularity or negativity sells. It does, right? So if they come out and say XRP is only going to reach this level, they will get a lot of people going, maybe not. No, I'm talking about it right now, right? So let's talk about this price prediction for XRP and then also give you what my realistic price prediction is, as well as the extended price predictions of XRP in the future. Guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, I do have a link at the top of the description for Margex. If you guys are very interested in, trading on Margex, I have a couple of trades for XRP. I have one down here for $200 to where I'm up 78% or $157 on that play. I also have another one in my main trading account here that sits at a 50x leverage. I invested at 40 cents. The current price is 53 cents, and you're going to see I'm up 1,609% on that play. Wish I would have invested more, but I only invested a very small amount of wrapped Bitcoin. But either way, was able to profit off of it, and I already took my initial investment out of that, which was only like $43. I took like 60 something or 70, I can't remember, but I took more than my initial investment, and I still have a lot left on the table just so that I can live to fight another day and trade with, depending on what does happen, because leverage trading is very, very risky. So if you're going to get into leverage trading, make sure that you do research on it, make sure that you ask questions, and make sure that you are investing in the beginning with a small amount of money. Do not go in there with $1,000 thinking that you're going to do a 100x leverage and lose it all when it does drop 1%. So make sure you understand the risks that come with leverage trading before you dive into it. But it is something that can be very profitable for people if you know what you're doing. Now, XRP price prediction. Let's just dive right into what that is, and then we'll go into where XRP is right now, and then we'll also talk about my realistic price prediction on XRP as we move forward. So this price prediction comes from lightfinance.org, which, .org really tells you a lot. But the current price for Ripple cryptocurrency on what is that? October. Why can't I think of it when it's numbers? October 20th, 2024. You have 54 cents where we stand. Experts predict a significant growth of the XRP price by the end of 2024, reaching 75 cents to 86 cents. Now, most XRP price forecasts suggest growth to $1 by mid 2025, reflecting a bullish outlook. Now, they're talking about the general price prediction that they believe, or we are talking about the general price prediction that we believe it's going to surpass the level of $1. Doesn't mean that it's only going to get to a level of $1. It's just many people are putting out that number because that's a significant number that we have to get past, right? But saying that it's going to grow to $1 by mid 2025 honestly would be very, very underwhelming for what we expect out of XRP and the community and the use case and all of that stuff there. So when I see something like this, it kind of it doesn't get me upset, but it definitely rubs me the wrong way because it's always it's bringing in a lot of information that's on average, right? What people are talking about because that's the popular topic that's on YouTube or on articles. But to say we're going to get to $1 by mid 2025 is not something that I see as a huge benefit. It would be great because then my value would be up to $100,000, but it's still not to the level that a lot of people expect out of this. So where do we stand right now for XRP? XRP, as they said, it was around 54 cents. Right now it's at 53.8, so around that 54-cent level. We are seeing a drop in volume of 23%. It's at $581 million in volume. We are at a $30.5 billion market cap. And as I said yesterday, the circulating supply has increased. Instead of 0.65, it's now 0.71, so 56.71 billion XRP, or 56.71% of the max supply that is out there. Now, when I look at all history for XRP, it doesn't tell me that we're only looking to reach $1 in 2025. This has been slowly increasing, and we haven't seen that godlike candle yet. We are expecting to see that God candle, but the SEC has been suppressing kind of everything. And right now, the SEC has nothing on this appeal. They have nothing on XRP. XRP is labeled as not a security. We're going to see it flourish. We're going to see ETFs. We're going to see more and more hype around XRP. And $1 is just kind of the tipping point, right? It's the tip of the iceberg here. We should expect to see it reach a level of at least the $3 mark, which means that we would see a 150-ish billion dollar market cap up at that level for 2025. Right, that's what I'm expecting. I want to see it a lot further than that. If I'm looking for a realistic perspective, saying what do you expect to happen in 2024, I expect to see XRP surpass that level of $1 in 2024. So long the bull market really starts. The altcoin season really starts at the end of this year, and we see that transition into 2025. I expect to see $1 or breaking that dollar this holiday season, as well as when we get into the new year, breaking the level of 2 and 3 at a minimum. When we look at the long-term outlook of it, there's so many things that can happen that we're expecting to see 10, 20, 50, $100 in those longer time frames. But when we talk about just in 2025, just to kind of give you the baseline of it, I'm definitely expecting to reach the all-time high, all-time high price point, and break through that point as we move forward into further 2025 as well as 2026. But that's all dependent on if we see the altcoin season truly happen this year, which it's going to, in my opinion, it's going to happen, right? We've been waiting for so long. We have so many things that are kind of compounding together, including the Bitcoin halving. We were approaching the 6-month mark where we expect things to skyrocket for cryptocurrency in general. So I expect to see a lot more than just that level of $1 in 2025. That's what their expectation is. My reality is that my expectation is a little bit higher, right? $5 to $10 range within that time period, and seeing it fluctuate from there, and then leading us into the next bear market, which I don't expect to be as powerful as previous bear markets, but still have an impact. So let me know your thoughts on it. Where do you believe XRP is going to be in 2025? Where do you think it's going to start in 2024? Do you think the altcoin season is going to start now, or what's your mindset? Where's your head at? Because I like to read comments and see what people think, especially anybody that does a little bit more technical analysis than me. But you understand that this is not all about technical analysis. This is more about what the future will bring based on use cases and based on news sources, based on popularity, and based on a lot of other things. So not just technical analysis, so much more than that. But I want to know where your head is. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below for Margex, for Twitter, for Patreon, all of those things. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.